Imagine a world where robot vacuums are banned. This might seem like a solution to safety concerns. But is it really the answer in 2026? What's driving the push for a ban on these devices? It all starts with a few high-profile accidents. These incidents have sparked a heated debate. As we delve into the issue, a question arises. Will a ban really make our homes safer in 2026? The truth is, it's not that simple. A ban could lead to a black market for these devices. This, in turn, could make them even more dangerous. But here's the surprising part. Manufacturers agree. They argue that a ban won't solve the underlying issues. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.